We're going to look at this as if it was in B flat. And so it is in B flat, but he's playing everything where it's on the 7th fret. So that's in the key of B. But he's detuned to half step every string. So we're just going to go ahead and play this in B flat. So we got... Now this little shape right here is part of a B flat 7. So this is going to be 10 on the G string, 9 and 10. So you can kind of strum a chord there, but you're going back and forth between the 10 and the 10. 10 on the G string, 10 on the E string. Go down 1 fret. And then sometimes he would go back to this chord and hit it, but on the original recording, sounds like he just hits a bass note right there. So we got... And then we're going to hit this 9th fret of the B string. So we have 3 bends. And then we have... So we have bend up on the 9, to the 9, up again, to the 9. So bum, 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 bum. And then we're going to bend this 8th fret of the G string to the 6th fret of the B string. So... And then we get into faster notes. Then we're going to have a 6 to 8. We're going to bend that 8 up to a full step to like the 10th fret. Back to that 6. Do it again. Then we're going to have this bend here. 8th fret of the G string. 6, 6, 9. That's kind of a typical, like almost like one of those arpeggio kind of things for the B flat 7 chord. So let's look at this again. So we're going to pop back to this little 6 here. So after the... So we've got these bends here. So we got that bend on the 8th. 6, 6, 9, 6. And then we have a bend before the new measure on this 8th fret. And then we have... So we have... When the new measure starts, it's going... So 6, 6, 9, 6, 8. And then we kind of rake that one a little bit and get a little hammer on that 6 to 8. We're going to pull off to the 8th fret of the G string. So we got... So take that slow. And then we got... So we have a quick hammer on here, 6 to 7 on the G string. To the 8 on the D. We're going down that pentatonic, but like with a chromatic there, down to that minor, and kind of have a little bend on that. So that whole thing would be like... So, little bend at the end. Then we're going to come in here 10 and 8, 10 and 10. Up to that 8 on the D. So you can even slide into that. Kind of the same thing here. 10 to 12 on the D. 10, 12 on the G, 11. Then we're going to bend this 13 on the 2nd string, then double bend. So you have a couple of bends. You got that one underneath it and another bend. And you go 11, 13, 11. Then you can have a 14th fret, big double. So like a 1.5 step, almost up to a 2-step bend. Then another big bend down to that 11. So this whole thing is like. So wham, bum, and then. So 13's up. Little 13, 13, 11. We're gonna have like a thing like, so a hammer 6 to 7, 6, 6, 9, 6. So like a 6, 8 to 9, back to 6. Then we're going to have a bend up here. So bend on the 8, and then 6, 6, bend on the 8, and then 6, 6, 8, 8. So this last part is a little tricky. Six, 6, 8, 8. That part is tricky. So let's check out this whole thing one more time. That little last part. So it's kind of like after a rest, like, and then you're into your B flat 7.